China's tech industry is poised for a major breakthrough as its leading display manufacturer. Bow Technology Group sets its sights on dominating the lucrative organic light-emitting diode panel market. With a staggering $8.7 billion investment, Bow is constructing a state-of-the-art production facility in Chengdu, aiming to challenge its South Korean rivals and cement China's position as a global technology powerhouse. Challenging the OLED landscape. Bow, the LCD market leader, is racing to replicate its success in the OLED domain. The company's new factory, dubbed the B16 site, will utilize cutting-edge Generation 8.6 technology, enabling it to manufacture OLED panels for laptops and tablets on an unprecedented scale. This bold move comes as Samsung, the current OLED frontrunner, plans to start mass production of Generation 8.6 panels in 2026, setting the stage for a fierce competition. Accelerating the technological leap. Bow's ambitious timeline is a testament to its technological prowess and determination to avoid falling behind its South Korean counterpart. The company aims to complete the Chengdu plant's construction by the end of this year, install the necessary manufacturing equipment by September 2025, and commence large-scale production in 2026, a timeline that matches Samsung's plans. Leveraging government support. Bow's success in the LCD market was fueled by substantial government backing, and the company is now leveraging a similar strategy for its OLED expansion. The Chengdu plant will be operated through a joint venture, with Bow holding a 53% stake and the remaining shares owned by state-owned entities. This arrangement allows Bow to limit its financial exposure while benefiting from the government's resources and policy support. Replicating the LCD dominance. Bow's LCD success story serves as a blueprint for its OLED aspirations. The company has systematically built a network of LCD factories, supported by government subsidies, and has emerged as the global market leader in LCD TV panels. By applying a similar approach to the OLED sector, Bow aims to replicate its dominance and challenge the long-standing supremacy of South Korean players. Technological prowess and talent acquisition. Bow's technological capabilities have been a key driver of its growth. The company is known for its ability to attract talent from Japan and South Korea, as well as its strategic partnerships with foreign suppliers. This cross-pollination of expertise has been instrumental in Bow's technological advancements, leading to its selection as a supplier for Apple's iPhone and further boosting its market position. Expanding OLED footprint. In addition to the Chengdu plant, Bow plans to construct another OLED factory in Fujian province, further expanding its production capacity. This multi-pronged approach underscores the company's determination to cement its position as a dominant player in the global OLED market, challenging the long-held dominance of South Korean giants. Navigating geopolitical risks. Bow's close ties with the Chinese government, while beneficial in terms of financial support and policy alignment, also come with inherent risks. If authorities push the company to build more production facilities or acquire underperforming ones, it could lead to overcapacity and financial strain. Moreover, as tensions between China and the United States continue to simmer, Bow's state-backed status could potentially impact its business dealings in the American market. Technological leadership and innovation. Bow's technological prowess is evident in its patent portfolio. The company ranked 5th globally in international patent filings last year, trailing only industry titans like Huawei, Samsung, Qualcomm, and Mitsubishi Electric. This impressive achievement showcases Bow's commitment to innovation and its ability to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. Driving the OLED transition. The OLED market presents a significant growth opportunity for Bow, as the display technology continues to gain traction across various consumer electronics segments. With its new Chengdu facility and planned expansion in Fujian, Bow aims to capitalize on this trend and position itself as a key player in the OLED ecosystem, challenging the long-standing dominance of South Korean rivals. Navigating the competitive landscape. The OLED market is currently dominated by Samsung, which held a 56% global market share in 2021, followed by LG Display with 18%. Bow, with a 12% share, is steadily closing the gap, and its ambitious expansion plans are poised to disrupt the existing dynamics. The race for technological superiority and production capacity will be a defining factor in the company's quest to become a leading OLED supplier. Implications for the global tech industry. Bow's OLED push has far-reaching implications for the global tech industry. As the company challenges the South Korean giants, it could potentially drive down OLED panel prices, making the technology more accessible to a wider range of consumer electronics manufacturers. This, in turn, could accelerate the adoption of OLED displays across various product categories, from smartphones and laptops to televisions and beyond. China's BOE is poised to shake up the OLED market with its bold $8.7 billion investment and ambitious expansion plans. By leveraging government support, technological prowess, and a relentless drive to innovate, the company is positioning itself as a formidable challenger to the South Korean OLED giants. This move not only solidifies China's position as a global technology powerhouse, but also has the potential to reshape the dynamics of the entire consumer electronics industry.